So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the bedroom filter here on the apartments.com website. So once you're on apartments.com, I just want you to go and type in your location. So for this example, I'll just type in Toronto. Once you're here, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to the top to where it says beds/bath. Press on the drop down right here. And where it says bedrooms right here, it is currently set to any, but if you're looking, for example, two bedroom places for whatever reason, you can go ahead and press on that. You can press on multiple of these features as well if you're looking for that. So if you want anything from 1 to 3, you can do that. If you're looking for studio apartments as well, you can do that, whatever the case may be. This is how you guys can edit the bedroom filters. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit bedroom filters on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.